students where you're going to do that part together. All right, so let's go back and look at this phoneme grapheme mapping a little closer. So at this point, we're going to add, because we have explicitly taught all of the sounds, and we know they can hear them. So now we're going to add that grapheme mapping part. So for this, they're going to have to know that k can be spelled two ways. It can be spelled with a K, or it can be spelled with a C. And I help them remember that by the little chant of K takes I and E, C takes the other three. That's A, E, and O. And later on, this is going to help them understand when C is followed by I or E, that sound is actually going to change to a S, and it's not going to say K. But at this point, I just want them to know that if they hear K at the beginning of a word, they're going to need to go to the vowel and determine, are they going to spell it with a K or a C. And also, like we talked about before, we've learned about the spellings for ch, so they know that it can be a digraph spelled with CH, or we can have that long spelling, which is TCH, long spelling after short vowel. So, catch, the student will repeat and say catch. So then they're going to segment it. K-atch. Then they're going to come back. K. Okay, they're going to think, okay, is it spelled with a K or a C? So let me go to my vowel. K-a. C takes the other three, which is A, E, or O. So I'm going to spell that with a C. So K-a. A is spelled with an A, and then ch. Ch. All right, I know it can be spelled two ways, CH or TCH, but I know long spelling after short vowel, so I'm going to spell it with a TCH. All right, and then in this activity, once they've moved to a place where they don't need the pictures anymore, you are simply going to, it's the same activity just without the pictures, and you can do more words at this point. So for the sounds, they're going to draw an X for each sound in the word. Then they're going to write the letters that spell each of the sounds. So that is that phoneme grapheme mapping going on right there, which is going to promote orthographic mapping. And that's going to help the brain store these sounds and letter spellings to their long-term memory. And then they're going to write the word. So our first word is catch. So k-atch. So then for each box, they're going to write the letters that spell each one of these sounds. So k-atch, and they're going to know that that's the long spelling because it's right after a short vowel. And then they would write the full word. All right, the next word is patch. So p-atch. All right, now we're going to spell it. So p-a-a-ch, long spelling after short vowel, patch. And then our last example is branch. B-r-and-ch. All right, so here I have a blend, and you want to remind them to tell you what a blend is. They should know that that is when you can hear both of the sounds, so b, r, and ch. And because it's not right after a vowel, that ch at the end of this word is actually going to be spelt with a CH. Branch. All right, if you have any questions or comments about this section of the video, please just leave a comment and I will respond back to you. If you would please post any questions or comments you've had about this video on the simple view of reading, I would appreciate it. And also be sure to subscribe and like this video so that you will be able to get updates as I upload more videos. Thank you for joining us. I'll talk to you in the next one.